Hi guys, Pickbeard here, and tonight for you I'm going to pick this Baldiloks challenge lock. It is the number 2. Came on its travels with the Baldiloks number 4, but I'm going to just have a go at doing the number 2 and see how we go. It's previously was an ECO or ACO lock. Here's the bitting on the key. The number 4 doesn't actually have a key with it, or didn't arrive with one anyway, let's put it that way. There's the bitting there on this one. So the number 4, no key. The number 2, which is this one, I'll just show you in good working order. Lovely and smooth. Locked up. I'm going to use my Huck 4 pick, which is my pick of the month, and light tension with a nice little tension wrench if it'll stay in. And away we go. Just feel for the raised pins, and they are quite good at sticking their heads up, so it shouldn't be too hard to find the right ones. Previously picked this one more time just before I got it on camera, so this might be quick, it might be slow, not too sure, but we'll soon find out. Lots of crunches going on in this lock. Nice deep falset there. So lots of crunches normally means lots of nice homemade pins, which I like, but I'm not going to gut it. I think Simon01 has done this. This is who sent it to me. So again, if you haven't had a chance to check out his videos, check it out. You should see some nice pins here from Baldiloks. I'm trying to use light tension. Hopefully hear those clicks going on. Oh, might have overset there then. There you go, there was a double click on that one, so I think I've got the tension pretty much right there. Nice further deep falset going on. Makes me think, there we go, got it picked. Made me think I had one more pin left to go. There it is, the Baldiloks number 2 picked. So let me show you back in working order again. There's that, and there's the key in, back in working order. So yeah, thanks Baldy for that particular lock. Look forward to doing the number 4. Thanks for watching guys, Pickbeard out.